Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts and a little demonstration, for whatever purpose, of the new F-Balm. Now this is by Drunk Elephant and it is their new mask. Now I don't use it as a mask and I'll explain why in a second. But it basically is an electrolyte formula that contains 5 different ceramides. It contains, what does it contain? Plant, squalene, antioxidants, the whole shebang. And it's designed to make your skin feel incredibly glorious, and it helps to deal with uneven skin tone as well. Now, Drunk Elephant recommend that you apply 4 to 5 pumps as your last step in your evening routine. And then you go to sleep and you wake up with skin that feels incredibly soft. And it does, and I've tried that. But I don't really like to do that because I find that my skin just feels too heavy. No breakouts, nothing like that, and my skin the next day did feel incredible. I prefer to mix this myself, and I'm going to show you how I use it because it's going to last me 6 months, which is great because 4 or 5 pumps is not going to last me that long, especially if you use it nightly, which I do. So what I do is I apply 1 pump of this, and as far as regards to uneven skin tone and all that kind of stuff, I do believe that it can help with that, but I haven't experienced that because I've only had it a week, so I want to be completely honest, but it is part of my everyday skincare routine. So this is what I would do. I would put 1 pump of that in my palm, then I would apply the TLC, which is the glycolic mask by Drunk Elephant, not mask, serum, and I apply 1 pump of that as well. Then I apply 4 drops of marula oil, and this stuff lasts forever. I mean, you can get really cheap marula oil. This is ethically sourced. I prefer this. And then I apply a little bit of the retinol cream by Drunk Elephant. This stuff is really strong, but I love it. So that's my cocktail right there. And then I move it all around, palm of my hand, and then I apply it all, and since it's nights, this is my routine, and I apply it all over my entire face, including the beard, down the neck, and right the way under the eye. This is what works for me. May not work for you, but it works for me. And that's it. That's my nighttime routine. I just pop it on, and I wake up in the morning. Now, the difference between this and their other moisturizers is that this one is very, very heavy. Now, don't think that that means it's going to break you out. It's just a much heavier formula. So if you have dry skin, you're going to really prefer this formula. But if your skin is very oily, like mine, the idea of 4 or 5 pumps of it, I'll be completely honest with you, the idea of 4 or 5 pumps, really, it's just too much product for me. And I don't want to burn through it too quickly. And I prefer to mix everything. I love this whole idea of just, applying different products and cocktails and just creating a mixture that suits your skin. And, with the TLC, there's 12% alpha hydroxy acid, 2% beta hydroxy acid. It doesn't hurt for me to buffer that with some oil, with a really beautifully heavy mask, and then add some retinol in. You can do all of these things. Whether your skin can tolerate it like mine can is a different story, but for me it works an absolute charm. This is now part of my everyday routine, mainly because I really like the way my skin feels in the morning with it. It feels more moisturized than it does with some of the other products in the range, because this is a much heavier formula and you get a more intense hydration level with it. But as with all Drunk Elephant products, it's bloody lovely. Thanks for watching. Links down there, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye. Oh, and if you've used it, let me know right down there.